Yes, sir. And it's all about respect, baby.
And cushy, give me everything you got. Put this for and cushy. Beat it up, baby, catch a charge. Extra large and extra hard. Put this cookie right in your face. Swipe your nose like a credit card. Hop on top, I wanna ride. I do a giggle, I'm kinda wild. Look at my mouth, look at my thighs. Sweat is wet.
Hey, babe.
Wow, Mitch, I just seen all that nasty ass shit you was doing right there in the window.
You got me fucked up.
No, First, look, I'm about to tell you exactly what I saw. You was like this, you was like, and then you dug in your nose, licked the booger, and put your finger in your mouth. You some type of nasty, baby.
Whatever, Sebastian.
Whatever, you nasty.
Bye.
See ya.
Bye. Come on, girl. We about to go.
What happened to you going to see a little friend?
Girl, he on some bullshit.
Well, I got somebody we can pull up on. He wanted me to come by and have a drink anyway.
Okay, well, let's switch because I'm tired.
Hello. Hey, babe. What you doing? All right, I'm with my homegirl, but we can pull up on you. Just send me your location. Okay. Why is that we here?
What?
Yes, sir. And it's all about respect, baby.